Welcome to Writing Workshop is a very friendly overview of the key components of the workshop approach. We delve into everything that you can possibly think about if you're going to do a workshop, including environment and building a community of writers. We talk about conferring, we talk about mini lessons, shared sessions, small group instruction. We talk about reflection and assessment.
There are a whole bunch of goodies in the book, which I think is what really sets this book apart. It goes beyond figures and having reproducibles in an appendix. There are over 30 video clips, so you can hear from teachers and principals, curriculum directors. All different people are talking about different aspects of Writing Workshop, and you also hear kids' voices too. Kids are talking, whether it's in a conference with their teacher, participating in the active engagement of a mini lesson, or just talking about why writing matters to them. So you hear lots of different voices, and I think that those goodies, as well as the reproducibles, are what makes this book really unique.
When teachers are reading this book, they will almost feel like Stacey and I are sitting next to them having a conversation about a workshop approach and what that looks like in classrooms.